This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing documents and verifying what you already have. This saves time. First, place your original Aadhaar and a clear photocopy side by side, then ensure the mobile number you want to update is reachable for OTP. Next, check whether your ID proof matches Aadhaar. If not, gather supporting proof. Once done, decide whether you'll use the online portal, Aadhaar app, or visit an Aadhaar center. Start with online if you already have mobile-based authentication ready. You now perform the update. Log in with your Aadhaar number on the UID portal or open the Aadhaar app. Make sure you use the device with the current registered number if available. Select Update Mobile or Update Demographic, then enter the new phone number carefully and request OTP. When the OTP arrives on the new number, verify it. Next, follow prompts to upload scanned ID proof only if prompted. Make sure to review entries before submitting to avoid delays. You complete the process by recording the update request number. This is essential for tracking. Once submitted, check status on the portal periodically. Updates usually take a few days to process. If the online path fails or OTP does not arrive, make sure to visit an Aadhaar center with original documents and the photocopies. Staff can assist with biometric verification. Finally, if the URN shows rejection, read the reason, correct the specific field, and resubmit rather than repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.